Cause of corruption is firstly lack of accountability in our country, second is greed, and thirdly lack of moral values. And I think it can be solved first of all by ensuring that students, particularly the young generation, are made aware of moral values. Secondly, ensuring accountability. This is the solution in my view.
Corruption means basically the perversion of the morality, integrity, etc. without any regard to honor, other things, etc. But from my point of view, corruption starts from basically the politician, basically which runs the state. After that, it comes down to the higher official and non-official people. Then lastly, it comes to the general people, who's basically forced to take part into this corruption because of their livelihood. So for the solution purpose, we have to change our system. But the changing the system is very very tough. So first of all, we have to change ourselves. After that, second point, public awareness is most important, because public awareness about the education system for the mass, it is also so much very important.
Talking about the root cause of corruption, I would say that the lack of values amongst us and the hypocrisy in our society, that is one major reason why there is so much of corruption in our country. For example, like we talk something else, we boast about ourselves, we boast about Indian culture system so much, and we follow something completely different. We talk about our gods, we talk about the culture that we have, the way and everything, and what we are doing is every day we have so many stamps and everything. So the reason is that we don't have any values for somebody else. We are too selfish to understand anyone else's feelings. So I think the solution is very simple. If we start inculcating values amongst our kids right when they are very small, from the school, from the home, in the end, those people who have to make the society.
Yes, sir. As per my view, corruption is prevailing in our day-to-day life because of the possible nexus between administrator, politicians, and the criminals. And there are several reasons behind it, like poor infrastructure, lack of proper education, and degradation of moral and ethical views of people. As far as solution concerned, it may be prevented by increasing moral and ethical views, by upgrading our infrastructure and awareness amongst people.
करप्शन एक्चुअली इंडिया में बहुत बड़ा इशू है करंटली. अगर हम उसका कॉज और उसके एनालिसिस के ऊपर ध्यान दें तो अकॉर्डिंग टू माय व्यू, करप्शन एक्चुअली इंडिया में बहुत बड़ा इशू है करंटली. अगर हम उसका कॉज और उसके एनालिसिस के ऊपर ध्यान दें तो अकॉर्डिंग टू माय व्यू, जैसे मुझे लगता है कि हम अगर थोड़ा हिस्ट्री को सर्च करेंगे तो हमारी एजुकेशनल सोसाइटी और जो एक इम्पैक्ट था हमारी सोसाइटी के ऊपर, हम दूसरों के पैसे को या फिर दूसरों किसी चीज़ को हाथ नहीं लगाते थे. हम बोलते थे उसे पाप का पैसा है. और आज का सिचुएशन देखते हैं तो हम बोलते हैं कि जब तक करप्शन एक्चुअली इंडिया में बहुत बड़ा इशू है करंटली. अगर हम उसका कॉज और उसके एनालिसिस के ऊपर ध्यान दें तो अकॉर्डिंग टू माय व्यू, जैसे मुझे लगता है कि हम अगर थोड़ा हिस्ट्री को सर्च करेंगे तो हमारी एजुकेशनल सोसाइटी